box 2. Had a quick little snack in between. Hadn't eaten yet today, so we also got some more drinks here. Tequila is getting refilled as we speak. So here we go. Let's jump right in and get this Giants piece cut off of here because it's bothering the crap out of me. Tired of looking at it already. All right. Knife. Rip it open.
Ooh, yeah.
Here we go. Right on top.
We'll rip right through this one.
Yeah. Comfort, style, everyday protection.
Oh my God! Oh, fuck.
Bracco.
Something coming up. Something coming up. That is.
I don't know what that is. Neoprene elbow support.
Oh, a little.
Yeah. Little support for your elbow. In case you got like tennis elbow.
Okay.
Had that for a little while. Got one of those like ace deals just to kind of
support it.
Yeah. Those would have been. I think those sleeves would have been much better.
Cool.
Oh, is this the one you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's like gold right now.
That is gold right now. It's like a bra.
That's your trainer. I got me a young adult daughter. So.
Training bra there. So got some training bras. What else we got here?
We gotta edit this out.
Nope.
She's so embarrassed.
Nope.
Her mom took her.
We got some wireless headphones. It just says wireless headphones.
You know it's good when it says headphones.
Made in China. Not a bad little
It's a
earpiece.
good for the over rotors and stuff.
Maybe. Oh, you know what this would be good for? Conference calls. I might actually keep that one for work.
Yeah. Not for the third part. One of the members of.
And it fell apart as I picked it up. It's on a light switch, dimmer switch. How's that work as a dimmer? It looks like just an on and off switch. On the side I see. Yeah, it's got a little dimmer.
Little slide.
Yeah, a little slide dimmer. It's not bad. If you got like the smart bulbs or whatever, you can hook it right up to those.
Very cool. Brand new.
All the wiring still there, everything.
We got the little soldery bits in the end.
Yep.
Very cool.
And here it is. Here's the gem.
Oh man.
Everybody's wanting one of these right now. I actually need
Can we
this
do
for
it?
tomorrow.
We're
gonna have a hair cutting day.
Can we cut your hair right now?
House. We're gonna cut my hair tomorrow, and
Folks, don't bother looking for this on any of our stores. It won't be there.
cut Mike's hair tomorrow.
I'll be over it too.
Everybody's getting a cut.
Everybody gets a haircut.
These are having rechargeable batteries. They're cool. Yeah, I work with all lines of pets.
What's a
Oh,
pet?
it's a pet one?
Well, our dogs do need haircuts too.
Yeah, that's for damn sure.
Oh, it's a pet groomer? Oh.
Your hair's like a dog right now.
It's very shaggy.
Yeah.
Shaggy under here.
Wow. Very cool. Yeah, definitely for, let's take a quick
Oh.
Bomber. I don't think anybody cares.
Yeah, at this point, man, I wouldn't care if it was sheep shears. I'd use it. I got a water bottle. I think it's missing the lid, though.
It's not important.
If you don't need a lid for a water bottle with no lid.
Well,
I think your daughter wants that.
you're into drinking the water.
You want a water bottle with no lid? That's cool. I don't know how good that's going to be, but okay.
Well, if you're actually drinking the water, you don't need the lid, right?
Yeah. Why not? Confused. I don't know. It's just like a piece of metal.
Oh, this is some kind of-
Like almost like a socket kind of thing, but it's not.
Just rip right through it. See what's in there.
Yeah, let's tear that bad boy.
Tear it on open.
Get on in there.
Okay, I have some of these. Oh,
Oh, it's like a ratchet or something.
extended. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's an angled extension for a.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay.
There's a standard. What is this? Standard?
Socket. Yeah, like a half inch.
Very cool.
3/4 inch maybe.
That works.
Yeah. All right.
For those hard to reach spots.
These are commercial, what they look like is garbage bags.
Hey, we need those.
And they are custom fit white drawstring trash bags.
Nice.
Custom fit.
Custom fit over your garbage.
Or children.
Ooh.
They act up and put you on TikTok with weird faces.
Children between 20 and 90 pounds.
Next thing.
It's a silent.
Oh, these are like stuck together. Got 2 pieces here. Yeah, let's go with these. I don't know what these are. Look like more pillowcases, maybe.
It's
More
like the
sheets.
microfiber stuff.
Yeah, somebody returned it. Like their sheets. We're not
Squishy.
Outlet.
I can't read.
Oh, it's like a smart outlet.
I think value-wise so far, this is not as good as the other one.
Yeah,
However,
like light
way
control.
more interesting.
Oh yeah, yeah, some really interesting stuff in here. It's, control the light switch.
Yep. Okay, so there's a button on it.
Yeah. No, I think it's a sensor.
Oh, okay, that would make sense.
Yeah.
So
I think it sets off the sensor and then
So
bam, the light comes on.
Crash the sensor trying to
Yeah.
turn it off.
Yeah. So you know, you put it in the bathroom. You walk in the bathroom, it turns on a little night light kind of thing.
Because I was wondering what the logic would be to have a button right next to the plug. Yeah.
Didn't really make a lot of sense.
No.
GT mini light.
Got a nice LED light in here. Huh?
Yeah. GT.
It's a grand touring model.
Good open. Maybe. There we go. Quick peek at it.
Oh, gander.
Looks new so far, huh?
Oh yeah. Brand new. LED light.
Oh, you have black, matte black.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice sleek look to it.
Yeah. Got the user manual and everything, alright with it. They returned it as is.
Awesome.
As is. Wow. Got a bunch of blank boxes in here next. This is Simmons, the smart choice. Oh, got some 4-wheelers and stuff going by. What up, guys? Oh, it's a shower head.
That was the shower head I was talking about earlier.
This is the shower head. And it looks like the one that has been slightly used.
Yeah, this has a little.
I don't know. Maybe they put it on and they didn't like it. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
They actually put it on. They were like, oh, this isn't going to work for what I want. Not for my application.
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. Shower head. Put it up there. See what we get.
Yep. Somebody needs a shower head somewhere.
Yeah. Hey, if you got an apartment, you don't want to put a lot into it, sure. There you go. $5 or $10 shower head, better than nothing.
Make the tenants happy.
Yeah. Another sealed box of. Why do they always put the sticker right over top of it?
I love that.
And it takes off both stickers.
They make you do that.
It's fantastic.
The actual seller, the originator of the item, has to put these stickers on when they ship them to
It is just
Amazon.
ripping. We'll give it a quick little cut here. There you go. See what's in there. What the? It's like fishing wire.
Nylon.
Yeah, like a nylon. And it's got little. They're like little plastic covers.
Strong and stretchy, it says.
They're like little covers that go together.
It's gonna be to hang.
Yeah, it is. It's some kind of hanging. It's like a 2-piece.
Oh, you like fill it with something and then hang it? Like for a party or something, maybe?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Those are weird. Yeah. It's all these little plastic little. Okay. We'll figure out what it is. Again, everything goes up there.
Or maybe we won't.
Or maybe we won't.
Maybe that's why they returned it.
Because they couldn't even figure out what it was. But you think if you ordered it, right? You know?
Yeah.
Again.
No, you have to do that when you sell on Amazon. You gotta cover the
original sticker.
The UPC, yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh,
There's
like
a lot of
FBA.
stuff in this. There's a whole box of these. There's more than one in here.
Those quantities.
What is it?
For you.
Okay, maybe not all kind of quantities.
Like little spoons.
Well, these are like giveaways. They're like a
Yeah, for like a wedding.
Oh, your wedding, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, probably those balls are probably for a wedding too.
Yeah, they're like little tiny his and her spoons.
Well, how
For the
personal?
wedding.
This is for you.
Yeah. Well, you can always get them personalized.
What if you don't like the person that much?
For you. Well, you know.
For you, but I don't like you.
Some of my emails start out with just hi. Some of my emails start out with hi, colon. And sometimes I actually reference the person's name.
Just like, hey, I looked at what you sent me, and this is.
At no
I'm almost
point
to
did
the
your
point where I
incoherent
just put-
ramblings.
I just want to get to the point where I just reply back, done, or I don't know.
That's the way to do it.
Broom and mop set.
Nice. Cleaning supplies.
You need a broom and a mop. The whole set. Or you can just put all the sticks together to clean out the pigeon nest.
You're right. Oh yeah, because it's all that 15 places.
Oh, look at this. I'm so happy. I got a thank you card.
Thank you for buying our box.
Thank you for buying this box.
Which we're going to currently replace with our own.
My dear customer, thanks for choosing your wig. It's actually for buying a wig. Oh, that's awesome. 30-day reason for return.
Oh wow.
Now I'm curious. One of the
So
other
it must
boxes
have a wig.
have a wig in it.
Maybe there's that. I don't know.
I don't know. Now I'm scared.
No, but they're still rocking a hot mill. You know.
Yeah. Hey, don't laugh. I still got
So you
I still love it.
oh, okay.
They tried to change me to Outlook, but
Let's not judge you guys at all.
not at all.
Or live.
And last
Oh.
item is a Nest. Look
Nice.
at that.
Be a couple bucks.
By Google.
That's good. That's the winner of the box, huh? So far.
Yeah, right there.
I think so.
Is it in
Is
there?
it? Oh, is it in there? That I didn't. It's in there.
Oh, nice.
Very cool.
It is a Nest with Google Assist.
I got this deal. Very nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
Awesome. That's a pretty good box.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
not
bad
bad.
little box. That was box 2. Still got 2 more to go. So we're gonna rip through those 2, and hopefully, by the looks of it, honestly, I think we're easily gonna get them that.
Couple winners so far.
Yeah.
Good.
Couple good things. All right, stay tuned.